Now the second function of the parliament is to control, guide and inform the government. That is, the functioning of the parliament, that is the session, begins with the question hour. Question hour is a very important mechanism in which the representatives, the MPs, elicit information from the government. They are free to ask any questions from the government. That is the beginning of the session, which is called as the question hour. Well, when the questioning is done, then the opposition plays a very major role, because it is in these questioning that the opposition tries to highlight the drawbacks of the policies of the government, and they try to mobilize the public support by showing what their policies could be. So in this way, they are not only highlighting the drawbacks but also creating a cushion for themselves by mobilizing public support. And the government is kept on toes by the parliament because they have to answer all the questions regarding their policies, functioning and various other aspects. So they have to know their data, they have to know their figures very clear before they actually enter the parliament. As far as finance is concerned, it has to get approval from the parliament. Only then can the finance be called as passed or approved. Well, all this shows us clearly that the elected representatives of the people, that is the members of the parliament, they play a very important role of controlling, guiding and informing, that is controlling the government by asking questions, guiding the government by highlighting where they are going wrong, by telling them about the drawbacks in the policies and keeping the public informed of what the government is doing. So the second function of the parliament, which says control, guide and inform, is a very essential and very important function of the parliament.